Hey guys, what's going on? It's Ben here, and today I just wanted to take a couple of minutes and unbox the new Galaxy S22 Ultra. I don't usually do unboxing videos, but I figured why not? I might as well join the fray because there's going to be about 1,001 other videos out there on YouTube about unboxing the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Ooh, look at that. The box is cool. The box is cool. Wow. I had some really high hopes for this one. I think Samsung really nailed it with this one. Merging the Note and the S line together. I can't wait to see what that S Pen looks like. And there she is. Oh boy. Wow. This is nice. This is really neat. It is pretty thick. It's supposed to be as thick as the S22 Ultra, but it feels, wow, it feels just like the Note 20 Ultra. It feels just identical to the Note 20 Ultra. Check out that S Pen. Oh, cool. It's got that coating that's like a rubberized coating. That's how it feels. It feels like the, I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but it's like, I don't know, it's hard to explain. It's like rubberized. That's the best way to explain it. It doesn't feel as smooth as the Note 20 Ultras. The Note 20 Ultra has the shiny S Pen. Well, this one, this is cool. It's got like the rubberized one. Same size though. Oh man. There's the tip. Just the tip. Just the tip is colored. Wow. It's really cool. And as you guys know by now, I'm sure you've seen 1,000 plus videos about the unboxing a Galaxy device that it doesn't come with much, but it does have the SIM ejection tool, and inside we have our power cord and some books, user manual stuff. And that's it. That's all that comes with it. Boy, this is really cool. Alright, well, if you guys want to see more, I'll be putting up a couple of new videos. I also need to do a Z Fold 3 video because I went and did it. I bought one, but I'll be releasing that video in the next week or so. But yep, there it is, the S22 Ultra. Later guys.